Exercise 6.3 Application of derivatives, question number 10. Find the equation of all lines having slope -1 that are tangents to the curve y equal to 1 upon x minus 1, x is not equal to 1. Now here in this question we have to calculate the equation of lines. All the lines will be having the slope as -1 and they are tangent to the curve y equal to 1 upon x minus 1. So in short, we need to calculate the equation of tangents, and all the tangents will be having the slope as -1. Now to calculate the equation of tangent, we need point and slope. Slope is given but the points are not given. So we need to calculate first the points. Points means x and y value. Then using that x and y value and the slope as -1, we will calculate the equations of tangents. So for calculating first the point, we will differentiate the equation of the curve with respect to x. So the curve is given as y equal to 1 upon x minus 1. Differentiating y with respect to x, we will get the slope of the tangent, that is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 1 upon x minus 1. Now we know the derivative of 1 by x. 1 upon x derivative is minus 1 upon x square. Hence, when we calculate the derivative of 1 upon x minus 1, it becomes minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square. So the slope is known. And this slope is slope of the tangent. But slope of tangent given to us is -1, already given this value in the question. So whatever the slope we calculated by differentiating curve and the slope given in the question of tangent, both these slopes we will equate, because by differentiating whatever we get dy by dx, that is also is the slope of the tangent. So equating both, -1 upon x minus 1 whole square is equal to -1, negative and negative gets removed. Taking up the reciprocal gives x minus 1 whole square equal to -1, and as negative from both the side gets cancelled, we have x minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. Now expanding x minus 1 whole square by using the formula x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 1. 1 and 1 gets cancelled. We have x square minus 2x equal to 0. Taking out x common, inside the bracket we will have x into x minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. So this is how we have calculated the value of x. Now as x is known, we need to calculate y also, because for points we need both the values x and y. So when x is 0, this value of x equal to 0 is to be substituted in the equation given. That is, y is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. Keeping that value, we got the value of y equal to -1. Now keeping x equal to 2 in the same equation, that is y equal to 1 upon x minus 1, the value of y is equal to 1. Now we have here 2 points. One point is 0 minus 1. Another point is 2 and 1. Now calculating the equation of tangent, slope will be minus 1, but the point will be different in both the cases. When the point is 0 minus 1, using the formula y minus y0 is equal to slope x minus x0. So the value of x0 and y0 is 0 and minus 1. So keeping at their places here, we get y plus 1 equal to the value of slope is minus 1, x minus 0. Now y plus 1 remains as it is. Expanding this bracket, we get minus x. Shifting minus x other side, we get the equation of line as x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is by taking the point 0 and minus 1, we got the equation of tangent. Now by taking point 2 and 1, and the slope will be minus 1, that is already given. Keeping the value in y minus y0 equal to slope x minus x0, we get y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 is the slope, x minus 2. Expanding the brackets here, y minus 1 remains as it is. Minus 1 into x gives minus x, minus and minus plus 2. Now taking minus x and plus 2 the other side, we get x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 is the value of the equation of the tangent by taking point 2 and 1. Question number 11. It is just similar to 10th one. Given is, find the equations of all lines having slope 2 which are tangents to the curve y equal to 1 upon x minus 3, x not equal to 3. Slope is given of the tangent, but we need to calculate the equation of tangent, so we need points here. Now when we differentiate the equation of the curve, that is y equal to 1 upon x minus 3, we will get the slope of tangent. So taking up y equal to 1 upon x minus 3, differentiating with respect to x, the slope that we will get will be dy by dx is equal to, now again use the formula of derivative of 1 upon x as minus 1 upon x square. So the derivative of 1 upon x minus 3 will become minus 1 upon x minus 3 square. Now slope of tangent given is equal to 2. Now dy by dx, what we calculated by differentiating the curve equation, is also slope of tangent. So both the slopes are equated. Taking the reciprocal, we get x minus 3 whole square, and minus sign is shifted here, so minus 1 by 2. So as we have shifted x minus 3 whole square up, 2 will be going down, so it becomes its reciprocal. Expanding x minus 3 whole square by using perfect square formula, x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to minus 1 by 2. Taking 2 the other side, multiplying all the terms with 2, we get 2x square minus 12x plus 18 equal to minus 1. Shifting minus 1 the other side, it gives us 2x square minus 12x plus 19 equal to 0. Now as it is a quadratic expression or quadratic equation, we need to calculate the value of x here. Now as it is not getting directly factorized, we'll be making use of the discriminant forms. So taking up a as 2, b as minus 12, c as 19, and putting in the formula d equal to b square minus 4ac, minus 12 square is 144, 4ac if we do it we get 152. Subtracting both, the value of d is equal to minus 8, which is negative, that is less than 0. As it is not belonging to the real number, therefore there will not be any tangent whose slope is going to be 2. 12th one, again it is same as 10th and 11th example, but here the slope value is different and the equation is different. The question is, find the equations of all lines having slope 0 which are tangent to the curve y equal to 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3. Now the slope value is given to be 0. We need to calculate the slope of tangent by differentiating the curve equation with respect to x. So that also gives us slope of tangent, because to find the equation of the lines we need slope which is given and the points are needed. Points are not given, hence by equating both the slopes we will be calculating the points. So differentiating y equal to 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3 with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of the fraction first we have taken into, with the help of chain rule, d by dx of x square minus 2x plus 3. You can make use of division rule here, but if you are doing it directly, the procedure will be little short. So differentiating 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3 as 1 upon x derivative, it will become minus 1 upon x square. So it is minus 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square. Derivative of x square minus 2x plus 3 gives derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of x is 1, so minus 2. Now combining both, we get final dy by dx as equal to minus 2x minus 2 divided by x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square. Now in the question it is already given slope is 0. So keeping the value of dy by dx as 0, because it is also slope of tangent. So putting dy by dx as 0 and calculating, by simplifying it, we get here this whole term is taken the other side, it gives us 0. Then we are left out with minus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. Now after getting this minus 2x minus 2 equal to 0, if we are taking up negative sign the other side, it becomes 2x minus 2 equal to 0, and calculating the value of x we will get equal to 1. Now once the value of x is known to us, to calculate the value of y, we will be substituting it in the equation of the curve, that is 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3. In the place of x, putting the value 1, we get y as half. Therefore, the point that is calculated becomes 1.5. Now to calculate equation of tangent, slope is known and point is known. Using the point slope, like y minus y0 is equal to slope x minus x0. So keeping the value of y0 as half, x0 as 1, we get y minus half equal to 0, x minus 1. Now 0 into x minus 1 is 0. So y minus half equal to 0 and y equal to half is the equation of tangent. Now another part is, if the slope is 0, then the line is parallel to x-axis. Therefore the line becomes y equal to y0. So here y0 is half, and by using also point slope, we got the value of y equal to half. So this is how the equation of tangent is being calculated.